Are you thinking of watching Kimi no Na wa? Well, you are in the right place. Here you can find a detailed review of the film and why it is so much hyped than the other animated movies. Want to know about it? Let's get into the review and learn more about this dazzling visualized movie. Since 1980s, anime has slowly entered the outside world of Japan with some fantastic works like Dragon Ball Z, Astro Boy, Mobile Suit Gundam, etc. But now Japanese film filled its place everywhere with its fantastic animation. What made anime so special? Well, the answer is so simple. It contains a great plot, fantastic quality of animation, breathtaking soundtracks, and more importantly, manga, which is the source of all the anime series. Your Name is specific example. Your Name or Kimi no Na wa is a Japanese animated romantic fantasy drama film released in 2016. It was written and directed by Makoto Shinkai and produced by Conmix Wave Films. Makoto Shinkai is well known for his work on 5 centimeters per second, The Garden of Words, and The Children Who Chase Lost Voices. The music composers are Red Wimps, a famous Japanese rock band who debuted independently in 2003. It received wide popularity for its animation, complex narrative, music, and emotional weightage. Your Name was a significant success with a total gross of $359 million, becoming the highest grossing anime film and Japanese film of all time in that time. Because currently the highest grossing anime film is Demon Slayer Mugen Train. Your Name is a Japanese novel that came out by the hands of Makoto Shinkai. Now let's talk about the story of the Kimi no Na wa. A schoolgirl, Mitsuha Miyamizu, lives in a town on Itomori in Japanese Hidas region, which is known for its mountains. She is bored with her life and wishes to born as a handsome boy in a next life. She is beautiful though. One day she begins to switch bodies with Taki Tachibana, a high school boy in Tokyo. Whenever she wakes up, they both communicate by writing messages on paper, their phones, and sometimes on each other's skin. As they become close with the hearts by swapping their lives, their friendship leads a mysterious events which made a movie to reach these heights. The plot gets confusing at the beginning, but as you go through, you will love it. The characterizations in the Kimi no Na wa is pretty good, and it shows the importance of each character to the end. But the main character Mitsuha Miyamizu and Taki Tachibana take the most of the screen time. In the end, the utilization of every aspect is fabulous. Some characters like Miki, Katsuhiko and Toshiki, and not to mention both main characters, made this movie even more likable with their humor and unconventional emotions. The bond between Mitsuha and Taki shows the flawless beauty of their love. The characterizations took the film into the whole new level. When it comes to the visuals, this movie is an absolute masterpiece. From starting to the end, the visuals won't stop surprising you. The animation conveys every feeling directly to the audience, which was done by Comix Wave Films, who are also famous for their work on 5 centimeters per second from 2007, The Garden of Words from 2013, and the recent blockbuster Weathering with You 2019. The visuals get stunning at some scenes. Notably, the view showing Mitsuha and Taki holding their hands and staring at the sky is too beautiful. It's a good thing that production spent most of their budget on improving the animation. These stunning visuals of the movie are undoubtedly one of the reasons why Your Name stands as a pillar for animated films. The soundtracks of Your Name are almost as beautiful as the movie itself. This makes you rewind again and again. Significantly, listening to Nandemo Naiya makes you feel like you are lost in the world of your fulfilled destiny. Your Name is the 8th studio album of the rock band Road Wimps, released in 2016 and debuted as first on the Oricon Weekly album, rating with 58,000 copies sold. Even though Road Wimps is a rock band, they have done a fantastic job in composing such a beautiful music. Every scene in the series gets highlighted by their music played in the background. It probably would be better to say that music of the Your Name is one of the aspects of its hype. Your Name is an emotional roller coaster. I can't say everyone cries after watching it, but people who are into sad and emotional scenes will shed a tear. Makoto Shinkai mainly focuses on the concept, which makes viewers to get attached easily. It worked as expected and was a great hit for all over the world. Ending of Your Name is alone enough to melt the hearts of the viewers, and as a result it ended up as the best grossing animated film of all time. Your Name is so narrative and beautifully done that it is one of those animated films in which one could pick any frame from it and hang it on their wall, and yet gorgeous visuals of the film never stifle the story. and maybe this summary might help you to watch Your Name movie. I would give 9.5 rating out of 10 for this movie. So if you haven't watched Your Name or Kivi no Nawa yet, then you should do it as soon as possible. And if you have already watched Your Name, then let me know your thoughts about the movie in the comment section down below. Like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post daily anime content about top 10 top 5 listings, anime reviews, recommendations, news, theories and all sort of anime content on daily basis. So if you enjoyed, please subscribe, and that was it, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.